Hello gardeners! Do you want your tomato, pepper, and cucumber plants to be healthy and strong from the start? Today I'm sharing an old, natural trick that uses chamomile tea to treat seeds before planting. This simple step can make a huge difference in the health and resilience of your plants. Stay tuned as we learn the exact procedure and all the benefits of this method. We'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on organic vegetable growing. Thank you. Do you use natural methods for plant care? If you have any of your own tricks, share them with us in the comments. Chamomile is not only medicinal for humans, it has incredible benefits for plants too. Here's why. Chamomile tea contains compounds that kill harmful bacteria and fungi on seeds. This means your seeds will be protected from disease as soon as you plant them. Boosts immunity. Active ingredients in chamomile, such as apigenin and coumarin, help plants develop a stronger immune system. Chamomile treatment promotes seed germination, which means that your plants will sprout faster and more safely. How to treat seeds. Here's the exact procedure. Make chamomile tea by pouring 1 tea bag with 200 milliliters of boiling water. Let it sit for 10–15 minutes, and then cool it to room temperature. Place the tomato, pepper and cucumber seeds in a shallow dish, and sprinkle them with chilled tea. Alternatively, you can soak the seeds in tea for 15–20 minutes. After treatment, allow the seeds to dry on a paper towel before planting. This simple step makes a big difference, as the seed becomes more disease-resistant and better prepared for growth. And there you have it, a natural, simple, and effective way to give your plants the best start. Try this method and let us know how it works in your garden. If you like the video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and share this trick with your friends. Thanks for watching. May your garden be healthy and successful.